Hello, 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 my loves. My name is Karen here. This is Blossom to Success. And we're going to share a FabFitFun box. This is actually the spring 2025. Yes, I've taken all the goodies out there just to show you. But this was a huge box. It was like so big. So let's see what we got, shall we? Well, as always, we got the HelloFresh. And then we have a couple of free starter boxes at $125 with 3 to 4 full-size premium products. You have to pay for shipping, so go ahead and message me if you want in on that. I only have a few though, so it'll run out. So the first thing we got was the Anastasia Blush Trio in Berry Adore. Let me come in here. It is super pretty. Look at these colors, and I'm just gonna take a finger and I'm gonna swatch on my hand so you can see the colors. Aren't those pretty? Those are like so adorable. This is like a really cute blush trio. I really do like that. Then we got the, see here, we got the Rifle Paper Company journal. What I love about this is look at the pictures. Look at the little flowers on them. Aren't those cute? Like, this is adorable. A sample dry spray from Dove. Milk makeup in Baked. So here's the color. Let me come in and we're gonna do a little swatch. Oh, this is like a sample size, but that is really nice and intense. Like, definitely like. Then we got the Sachu Lip Liner Staying. It's a peel-off lip liner. And let's see, is it 2 colors? It is 2 colors. Let me make sure I got this right. Moi and pink. So here are the colors. Can you see those? So let's go ahead and give this a try. I'm gonna go with the pink first. This is why I'm not wearing lipstick right now. So got my mirror. Oh, this is so dark. So we're going to see this one color and see how it comes out. I'm just curious. Okay. Oh, it feels so dark and scary, to be honest. So it's a peel off lip liner. Then we got this, which I love. This is Rise and Shine Ceramics, and it's a retro flower bowl. And I'm going to show you this because this is my favorite. This is huge. Look how pretty it is. This is definitely something I'm going to be using. It's pink. It's me. Totally me. A pair of earrings. I think I'm going to get one of those little attachments so I can see the camera on the back. These are super pretty. I love these earrings. They're so shiny. And silver, white gold is what I love the most. And then finally, we got a robe, and it's one of those waffle robes. And it is by Linen and Dot. And this is super pretty. I like this. Okay. It's probably not been long. It feels like it's drying already. It's not. So I'll come back with how it looks in just a minute. Okay, so I tried to take off by peeling. Not as easy as peel, but look how it is. When I wipe it off, how it is staining. This is like, and for you to notice, be cleaner when you do it because it really does stain. Like It stains. It is definitely a stain, and I'm gonna have to practice with it. But this was my FabFitFun box. What do you guys think? Was it cool or not? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along for more. Let me know in the comments what you thought.